guys, welcome back. I'm the Sarcasm Princess. Today I'm going to be trying some candy from Candy Club. So I recently got a Candy Club subscription and I figured that I would try them. Candy Club is a premier candy of the month club. You can pick like what boxes you want and you're able to pick candy from a selection that they have. So you could do a 1 box, you could do 6 boxes, and you can do 12. You can also pick how many selections of candy you want in each box. You could do 6 selections, you could do 3. I would go to their website, candyclub.com, and then you can figure out what interests you the most, if that's something that you're interested in. So I got my first box here, and I was going to open it and try the selections that I got for you. So it comes like this in a cute box. They put some single candies in there for you too. It's really cute, and it comes with the little cards for an explanation of what you have in your box. So I'll go ahead and try this stuff now. So the little selections we have in here are jawbreakers. Everyone knows what a jawbreaker tastes like. No sense in me trying those. So let's do the first selection here. These are rainbow twisters filled licorice. Everything comes in wrapped up. Everything's sealed. So I'm going to open this. This is what's in here. They smell really good. So, oh, I thought they were going to be hard. So they're just soft, like a little licorice, and then it's filled on the inside. Smells really fruity. This is a soft licorice too. These are good. So if you've ever had a pack of rainbow licorice, this is what it tastes like. It's just fruity, and then the inside is filled, it's kind of tart, which puts, it's like a good balance of the sweet and the sour. So they were good. Alright, so in my box I have 6 selections. The next one is cookies and cream bites. Now, this is a selection that my husband picked out. I figured I would try it for you. So first, it kind of has that yogurt smell, a little bit sour smelling. Let's try one. So they're really cute. Sorry. Look like this. Super sweet. Really sweet. Typical of what you'd expect of a cookies and cream flavor. I mean, if you've ever had anything that tastes like cookies and cream, that's what these taste like. Yeah. Alright, so next. Yeah. So they have a nice texture. Chewy, but not too chewy. They're strawberry flavored. You definitely taste the typical strawberry candy flavor. But I really like the texture of these. They're really soft on the inside. And they have like the chewy outer layer. These are good. Alright, and then the last thing I have here, as all of the Jawbreakers fall in the holes, I have these scones of chocolates. So this is a chocolate fruit basket. So I'm just assuming that, so it's cherries, blueberries, apricots, cranberries, and apples covered in milk and white chocolate. Open these. Alright, so right off the bat, you can see they're all different colored. I'm assuming this is a blueberry. The flavor is very fruit forward. These are good. Ah. Eat a cherry. These are good. You can definitely taste the fruit in these, which is good. Alright guys, so that's everything. I hope you liked me doing an unboxing of my first Candy Club box. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to make sure you get the newest content. I upload videos every Sunday. So get your weekly dose of sarcasm on Sundays. Stay tuned for future unboxing of Candy Club boxes. Alright, and if there's anything else you wanted to know, list it in the comments below. Alright guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm the Sarcasm Princess. See you later! Alright, and then my rating, I would do the Rainbow Twisters filled licorice first, and then the Mango Belts, then the Chocolate Fruit Basket, the Gummy Lambs, the Triple Dip Malt Milk Balls, and then the Cookies and Cream Bites.